Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. And LG's given me some exclusive early access to the new wireless earphones they're coming out with, the LG tone-free FN6. Big thanks to LG for sending these over so we could take an early look at them, but also for sponsoring this video as well. Looking at the case, they actually engraved my name, so kind of cool. Thanks, LG. Either way, we're gonna do a quick unboxing, show you what comes in the box, and then also check out the earbuds themselves. And actually that case is something I really wanna look at because apparently it will clean your earphones while it is charging them as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at a bunch of different things. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are our tone-free FN6 wireless earphones from LG. This is the box that they sent them over in. Opening it on up, we are greeted with the case, and then inside should be our FN6 earbuds. We'll set that to the side for just a second. Opening this up, we have a cable, some extra tips, and our getting started guide. A look at that charging cable, USB Type A on one end, and very happy they went with USB Type C for charging. Here are the extra ear tips. I believe small and large and medium are pre-installed, so nice that they have different sizes depending on what ear size you have. And here's a first look at that case. It says tone up towards the top, and honestly very minimal. I'm a big fan because I like to put my earbuds case in my pocket a lot, so these aren't gonna take up a lot of space, maybe in a bag as well, and also has a nice soft touch to it and a matte black look. On the back is where that USB-C charging slot is, and then a button for the pairing process. You also do have an indicator light on the front, so if it does turn on or if it's charging, you will know. And now, opening up our earbuds for the first time. There are the FN6 earphones. You'll see with Meridian, and then up at the top, it does have some LG branding and some indents for those earphones. Also, I noticed this right away when I opened it up, a blue light shining on the inside. Kind of a cool underglow, but that's actually very useful because it will be cleaning my earbuds while it's in the case. So the LG tone-free FN6's case uses a UVC light with a wavelength between 200 to 280 nanometers, which will clean your earbuds in about 5 to 10 minutes. And a close look at the tone-free FN6 wireless earbuds. Pretty sleek looking. It does have a touchpad on the outside for some controls for music and such. We'll go over those in just a second. And like I said, those gel tips you can actually take off and replace, which I'm going to do now because I know that I personally will need the large size. Very easy process. Just go ahead and pop them off and then grab the new ones and put those on. Now let's go ahead and get our earbuds paired to our phone. Pairing process should be really easy. Just open up the case, and then with Fast Pair, our phone should actually automatically detect these earbuds, and it did. So you'll see, just pull down, go ahead and hit tap to pair. All right, and pretty simple, just connected. I even heard it say connected out of the earbuds. All right, so let's go ahead and put these in for the first time. And it did have a little chime recognizing that it is in my ears now. So here's just a left and right look. Very comfortable overall. It feels very secure. I don't feel like moving around. They're gonna fall out at all. And of course, like I said, I had to install those larger ear tips. And then just want to give a closer look at them in my ears, just so you can kind of see the different style. Overall, pretty sleek design. The FN6 earbuds also have gestures built into them. So let's say I'm listening to a song like I am right now, and I single tap either side, left or right. It'll go ahead and pause. Now, if I want to skip songs, I triple tap on the right earbud, whereas the triple tap on the left earbud will go back. And then if you want to go ahead and change the volume, I can double tap the right earbud, and you'll see that volume starts going up. And again, if you want to go down, just double tap the left earbud, and it'll start to go down. Not only are there media controls, there's also an ambient sound mode you can activate, so I can't really hear my voice very well. The gel actually does a good job at eliminating outside noise in sort of a noise-canceling way. Now, if I press and hold the earbuds, it says ambient sound. So now what's gonna happen is it's actually letting in my voice into my own ears now, and I can actually start hearing myself talking. Let's say, for example, if I wanna go ahead and have a conversation with a coworker, or maybe go order something, then you can actually talk and communicate with someone without having to actually take them out. When it comes to battery life, LG says you will get a total of 18 hours out of these earbuds, with the cradle holding 12 hours of charge, and then the earbuds themselves will last 6 hours of continuous listening. The tone-free FN6 earbuds also have an IP rating, so they are IPX4 rated, so if you're sweating on them or maybe you get caught in the rain, you don't have to worry about anything happening to them. The FN6 has dual microphones for call clarity. The upper mic is used for that noise reduction and echo canceling, and the lower mic is used for that clearer voice pickup. And then in terms of sound quality, LG has partnered with Meridian, which is a renowned British company which focuses on premium sound. They actually were founded all the way back in 1977, and their main focus is to achieve that great sound quality. And initially, after wearing these for an extended period of time, they've been very comfortable. They have not fallen out of my ears at all, even while I was going for a run and doing a quick workout. So those are the LG tone-free FN6 wireless earbuds. Really cool how they actually will clean themselves in the case. Really neat feature, especially nowadays. Anyways, I'm gonna have to start wearing these around a lot more. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about the design, anything like that. Be sure to subscribe as well. A lot more content coming soon. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.